Cuba is a haven for birds, wintering migrants and native species found nowhere else, like the endearing Cuban tody, the endangered Fernandina's flicker, and the elegant Cuban trogon. Despite the island's diversity of bird life, many species are endangered. Biologist Eneider Perez at the Institute of Ecology and Systematics in Havana believes the secret to conserving Cuba's birds is to engage the island's children, especially those in cities.
In some time, the group that live in the city don't have idea about what species of animal have in your city. What is the importance of this animal?
Eneider and other Cuban ornithologists are part of a growing environmental education movement. They want to get more kids and their parents learning about and appreciating birds. One success story is the Festival of Endemic Birds of Cuba, launched in 2003. It has grown from a few lectures in Havana to more than 1,000 activities, reaching 70,000 people all across Cuba. The newest effort to reach children is through citizen science. With help from ornithologists, middle school students design their own science projects, posing original questions and collecting and analyzing data.
The kids are participating in a real investigation, in a real project with a real question and a real schedule, and they need to collect their own data.
For example, some students have been going door to door to learn how many parrots are being kept as pets, an effort to get a handle on how many are being taken from the wild and perhaps change this cultural tradition. Once the data are collected, students make public presentations to defend their findings and answer questions. Some of them get so excited about it they even create their own logos and T-shirts for the event. The goal is not only to foster appreciation for nature, but to encourage kids to consider a career in science. Cuban University students work with the youngsters and have brought new energy to the program, allowing it to evolve and expand.
And it's amazing because the university students have many ideas, have in contact with the kids, and I think that now we are more closer with the kids.
After teaching young people about birds for the past 8 years, Eneider's initial skepticism has evaporated.
When I began our projects, I'm not sure about the importance of that kind of project. But now I am sure that if we want to preserve our birds, we need to work with kids.